gonna start to pack and prep for Europe. I'm so excited. I'm also going to pack and prep my little brother because he is going to meet us halfway through the trip. So we're gonna do a bunch of errands today, pick up toiletries, pick up some more clothes, and then anything we're gonna need for the trip. Since I'm gonna be gone for almost a month, which is just crazy to think about. This is my first time going to Europe, so I actually have no idea what to expect, and I'm also only bringing a backpack. So I can only buy so many things because I only have so much room. Just got to the mall. I'm about to do some shopping for Europe. I want to pick up a few more pieces. Not that I need anything because I'm not even sure what's going to fit in my bag, but I wanted to get like something that was a little bit more dressy. All my clothes are pretty much black, so I wanted to get something more like lighter. We just got done shopping. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a haul. So the first place I went to was Uniqlo, and I got this bra. These are my favorite bras, but I think they kind of switched them, like the quality or something, like the way they build them is very different. I needed a nude one because I have a lot of white outfits. The next place I went to was Altered State. I got this little lace top. I think this is like the most beautiful top ever. They had it in a bunch of different colors, but I thought this would be the perfect like lightish color that I wanted to wear for Europe. The tops were buy one get one 50% off. So I also got this like poncho looking thing. It's kind of like an off the shoulder top. I don't know what to wear under this. Like I could wear a swimsuit under it, like a little cover up. And then at Lush, I ended up getting the Dream Cream body lotion, just a little sample size because I used to be addicted to this stuff, but I want to see if it's still just as good. That is everything I picked up at the mall. I do need to stop at Ulta to get some sulfate free shampoo because I recently just got a Brazilian blowout and you can only use specific shampoos for that. So the normal ones that I usually get at Target, those are all not sulfate free. We're now headed to Potbelly to get lunch. Forgot to mention, we're also not even in Orlando. We're in Dallas right now visiting Alex's family. We don't have a Potbelly in Orlando. I guess we do, but it's just so far from our house that we never go. So the only time we can get Potbelly is literally when we're traveling. It looks so good. For my drink, I got an unsweetened iced tea. Okay, we have all the mini Pureology here, but they are so tiny, and I'm like, for 12 bucks? But they do have this kit for $34. Finding shampoo and conditioner for my Brazilian blowout that's travel size is a lot more difficult than what I thought it would be. So I ended up getting this Olaplex one, and then for conditioner, I ended up getting the L'Oreal Everpure. Then I also got the NYX Thick It and Stick It. This is my favorite eyebrow product. I just got back from Dallas, and I need to restock on all my toiletries because I basically depleted all of them when I went to New York and Dallas. I want to restock on everything so everything is fresh and new, and hopefully it can last the entire trip. I do want to pick up one of my favorite chocolate bars just for the plane rides. And then I'm also picking up these peanut butter rounds. I don't know how healthy these are, but they're really good, especially like during travel. So when I get hangry, I can eat these. So these are the snacks that I'm bringing with me. Now shopping for the actual minis. This Target is definitely stocked with everything that I'll possibly need. I'm finally home and it's officially time to pack for Europe. I'm a little bit stressed, but at the same time, I'm only bringing a backpack. So whatever can fit in the bag is what I'm bringing. And if I can't bring it, I'll just have to buy it there. That's kind of like the mindset I have right now, that it's okay because it's not like I can't buy the stuff that I need there. I'm going to quickly share with you guys everything I got from Target. The first thing I got were the peanut butter crackers. And then I got my salty dark chocolate. I got a mini thing of Tylenol. We don't have a return flight home, so I had to buy a bunch of makeup wipes. We had 10 in each pack. These are my favorite. They're from Target. I also picked up 2 travel toothpaste. I'm going to give one to my boyfriend and one to me, so we have 2 sets. And then I got a body lotion from EOS. This smells so good. And then finally, I got a little thing of Tums. So this is the backpack that I'm filling up. This is the Cotopaxi 28-liter backpacking backpack in the black color. My boyfriend swears by this backpack, so that's why he got it for me for my birthday, just so we could also match. He's been to like 50 different countries with this bag, and he swears by it. So there's no one else I trust more when it comes to what bag to bring. However, I got us these matching little luggage tags. I think they are so cute. They have the Frontier logo, our names, and then the airports we originally fly out through. So mine is going to be DTW, and then a little airplane. It's like a crew tag. So this is where I'm going to put my clothes, my toiletries and tech, and then in this one is going to be like underwear and socks. It's now time to pack my toiletry case. I already have this packed from the last trip I was on. My sister actually got this for my birthday. I am obsessed with it because it holds so much. What's really cool about this is that the clear case literally comes out, so I don't have to go shove all my stuff into like those little clear bags. I can just use this, hand it off, and it has all my stuff in here. So I'm gonna go through this and see what I need and what I don't need for the trip. I also wanted to share with you guys the shoes that I purchased for Europe. I know you don't need specific shoes for Europe. I was just in New York City and my feet were killing me, and I was like, hold on. I definitely need to pick up new shoes because my insoles are definitely depleted in those. So I got these Ons. I think they're really cute because it's like a mix of like comfort and stylish. I have a couple pairs of Ons, which I do like, but for like an everyday shoe, I thought I could wear these. This is the Roger Clubhouse in black and white. I will link these down below if you guys want to buy them. I'm not sponsored by them, but they are gorgeous. Excuse the fact my room literally looks like a tornado blew through it, but we are starting to pack. And by pack, I mean literally start to put the stuff in the bag. Oh my gosh, I feel like I am packing so many things. I don't even know if all this stuff is gonna fit, but we are going to try. I can obviously always just pack less. I'm gonna give you guys a little overview. This is all the clothes that I want to bring. I don't know if I am bringing. And here are just some like random tech things. I'm bringing this Longchamp backpack that folds down for like an everyday bag. I just got done packing and this is what it looks like. It's completely full, literally to the brim. I just worry that it's gonna be too hard to like try to put back together to make it shut.